Hello. Hello. I'm back. So here we are. I have been a little bit at work behind the scenes, off stream, and I always forget to record. I forget to record, so now there's just this entire day that I just have no records of what I exactly did. Because I was streaming day 1 and 2 of making the jam, and then day 3 I took off to save my voice a little. But I actually did quite a bit. For example, I completely reworked this part, because this was being annoying. Let's just say this was being annoying. So I read it so that it took the camera position. And what I actually could do is put this backwards so that it's consistent. I could have this as a public void place item. Int item. Then this can be removed. These two can be removed. Can be moved down. Oops. And if item can remove this entire. And then now all I have to do is, if the thing that I click on has a share script, so item can pick up item ID equals 10. If hit dot get collider dot get component dot chair, not chair, is not null, then and actually that can be taken with the interact key. interact key input dot get key down interact key and item list dot count is greater than 0, then dot collider get component chair dot place item list 0. So now it's consistent. Well, at least should be. Should be consistent. Or if I go into here, then that appears. And open this. Right, I should mute this because I added music. Never mind, it doesn't work. At least I don't think it did. So switch item. If the case has 1, then the torso is true. Torso.object set active and break. Yeah, that should be it. Alright, I should also remove the item. Item list dot remove at 0. And I have to give it the index, right? Yeah. Alright, so now there. I click on the chair. I click on the chair, it should. Nope. Something is wrong. Oh, something is still very wrong. What is the chair? Is the problem that the chair itself has a different collider as well? Why? Because there are 2 colliders here, but it should be fine because either one I'm clicking on should get to the chair script. Oh wait, no, hit.collider game object. I think that's good. I'm just gonna ignore that red one. And hope that it isn't important. I guess I could just give it an item ID. No, because that wouldn't change anything. Hmm. Lists, because it's C#, it's everything starts at 0. Hit that collider, the game object, get one share, place item, and then the first item. Input get key down. Key. I don't see what is wrong with this. Oh. It is looking for an item ID. I guess I could just give it a item script. And just give it ID like 11. Chair. Okay, that makes sense. I made it look for item scripts. And when it doesn't find one, it gets confused. So now, hell yeah, it works. Way ahead. Actually, you could do that. You could just stand in the middle of the room. I'll zoom in the camera a little more, and I can now reduce this hit bomb. That's the player itself. I could reduce this hit circle collider to just not exist. Wait, no, I do need this. But I can a lot smaller, like that. It might be hard for me to hit on here in the corner, but that's because this is about 1/8 of the size of the normal window. I do have screen off screen. I don't want to just show my taskbar or top of the thing. Okay, let's make a day-night cycle. So for that, MS Paint. So for the day cycle, I will need a timer that counts down. And then I will also need to be able to reset. Those are the two important things I need to do. So first of all, let's make this reset thing, because then putting it on a timer will be easier. So let's make a function, reset, public void reset, nope, restart day. I guess the more correct answer would be next day. Okay. So what I need to do is First of all, let's just vector 3 start boss equals new vector 3, and that should be 0.525 minus 4 and 0. Oops. And then I need to be able to the fade will be later. For now it doesn't need to look good. Stop trying to make it look good. Okay, so vector 3 variable have to return. So for now let's just make it if input dot get key down key code. That'd be a good key. Let's just do R. Then transform dot position equals start. Oops, start position. I need to get used to not alt tabbing, it's slow. It's slow for what I needed. It's never called. Let's put you into the update. Yes, next day. Alrighty, so now, if I press R, it should teleport me back to the chair. Yeah. It shoves me a little, because it's not exactly where I spawn. Because exactly at -4 I collided the chair. If you look at this, the two hitboxes are in each other. Alright. Now, make player do the animation of jumping up. And game object dot get component animator dot play jump. I think I called it jump. Can check real quick. Oh crap. Okay, this broke again. Stab. Yes, jump. I don't know what's actually wrong with the animator, but it keeps bugging out. Right, so if I walk away, Hell yeah. I am so good. I can do my I can do my only task. Okay, I want to zoom in. That looks so good. Look at that little guy. He's just jumping off the chair. He's so good. Okay, now. Fade in, fade out. Actually, let's make a day counter first. Public and day. Oh wait, that's in the header day cycle stuff. And then here I could also put it could be private. Private vector 3. Actually, it's a vector 2. It's fine to be a vector 2. Private vector 2 start pause equals new vector 2 0.525 f and -4. And then here I can delete this. And then here day plus plus. Okay, let's add one more thing. A little bar across the screen saying this is the day. So you are on day 5. You are on day 1. Is it possible to break it? It will be, probably. My code is known for being easy to break. What was I doing? I was doing something. A++. And then debug. Nope, not that. Debug.log day. Okay, so it counts up. And I think it's fine if it's... let's make it start on 1. It's just easier for everyone if it just starts on 1. Then let's make a private serialized field. Private fade game object. Fade. Okay, now let's make a fade so that the screen can fade in and out. UI image fade. So this should be above every single other thing. I don't think there's anything that should be above this. Now make an animator. Other fades. Animator controller. Either. And property. Is there an opacity specifically? Hello. Thank you. Even lurking is fine. Helps my channel. So fade in would be from that to that. That's fade in. And then duplicate to fade out to just flip? No. There, like that. So, actually what I could start with is not have a player start animation. Empty set as default state. And then on start it starts by starting the next day, and then I could have it start at 0 because you turn from day 0 to 1. Oops. Where's the start? There's the start. Fade unim equals fade dot get component animate over fade unim oops fade unim dot play fade in actually, is there a way to delay this until this is done? I guess I could just have delay in the jump animation. Jump. 6 is 1 second, so like half a second would be 3 frames. Right. I need to give it the fade. Let me move down. Here. Day 0. What did I forget? I forgot to put the next day in here. God damn it. What's a little funny is that I think I can see every time I've compiled the game because of the little spikes. Oh god. I do not know what happened. Okay, so the fade doesn't work. Int I at t equals 0. Actually, that could be a float. Float t equals 0. fade anim dot play fade out. Did I start it with lowercase here? No, it's full. And then wait half a second, so I need to wait very. Then if t is greater than or equal to 0.5, which I could have it in while t greater than or equal to 0.5f. Equals t plus equals time dot delta time. So that should force it to wait half a second. Why doesn't it do the fade in though? Fade on the play, fade in. It gets to here, but it doesn't do that. Fade in. Okay, let's make it 2 seconds. Okay, so it moves me before I get to fade out. Let's just see if I flip that. Sometimes you just have to flip these. Just have to flip them. Because it should wait 2 seconds. 2 seconds I feel like is a good amount of time to wait. Apparently not to this. For float I equals 0, if I is greater than 2f, I think it's until I is greater than 2f, I plus equals time dot delta time. I'm basically kind of trying to force the program to not continue with that line until time has passed. Mm-hmm. Did something. I think it took the next line with it. I think it just took the next line. Yeah, it would take the next line because it didn't have these brackets. Unity. Uh-oh. Something is breaking. The music stopped. Assuming this and the front as well. Okay, so you can take it down. Hey, I just said 27, the limit is 25, what the hell? Okay, why is Unity not... It says it's compiling script. I guess just change something. And make it want to reload. Wrong tab. Does it open that? I want Unity. Unity I might have broke. I mean, it probably did. Task manager. Oop. Okay, by name. Unity editor. End task. Close Unity. Barrett. I really don't know what went wrong there with Unity. Huh. And close task. Other way. Actually, can I ask the... Can I give this like a queue here? Oops. Whatever next day is called, play fade out. And set to is switching days equals true. This is not a very good method to do what I'm trying to do, but I think it will work at least. That's the minimum I'm trying to get to, for it to work on the technicality. Then int t, actually float t equals 0. The moment that anyone who can actually program comes into my stream, I will get my head ripped off for not programming very well. All that matters right now is that it works. And exclusively that it works. How does it? I don't think it works. I think I forgot to put the fade in. If fade anim dot play quote fade in. Yeah, I just forgot about that. I don't think it works. I'm gonna be perfectly honest. So. Ah. Okay, let's try that. Why doesn't it work? There. No longer unassigned variable. I'll just assign it. Dog barking. And input dot get key down key code or nope. I should set it so that if can move. There. 125. Okay. So something is a little messed up. Seeing as it is currently day 184. Okay, what does day equal to? Day plus plus. Here. So, bool s equals false. Here set s to false. Then if s, if not s, then day plus plus. Like that. I'll rename it in a sec. I just need to know if it works. It does not work. It most definitely does not work. Okay, it is currently day 64. It should be day 1. Why is it 64? Okay, we're going up powers of 2 now. Well, almost powers of 2. We're actually approximating powers of 2. Yeah, the second person who said that, I feel like that's some kind of scam, and I'm glad it got censored. I'm just gonna delete that, just in case. I don't know what that message is supposed to say. And I have a feeling that it's good that it got censored. Now, why is it? Oh wait, I guess day plus plus and s equals true. I completely forgot that I need to actually swap it back. Oh. It works. It fucking works. Okay, let's look for a nice font for the... Ow, my eyes. Let's look for a good font. for the day counter. I use font space because there are free fonts here that are commercially usable. So, where's the commercial button? I can decrease them. Font, commercial use, there it is. Okay, like a nice title. A title font. I actually kind of like that one. Bold looks pretty nice. Creative Commons 0. Use them freely in your products, no commercial or otherwise. I mean, that looks pretty good. I really like the bold. And it's TTF, hell yeah. Jesus, is this my downloads folder? My old download folder. Jesus, there is a lot of crap here. There's an old drawing of mine. What the hell is this folder? alchemistfantasy.ogg. Okay, I'm gonna stop browsing through that. Font asset creator. Let's make the font. Ooh. Hell yeah. You can go away now. Now. In the fade in, I can remove that. Can have a little thing below it that is just a bar across the screen. They could have it at the top. UI text, and then use this font. Did they map the space to another character? I don't think they did. Day 15. I think that's fine. Heather. Where the hell did it get green from? Why did it go green? Quote. Normal. Oh, so the way that this works is that the font is transparent. That's really interesting. I've never seen that before. So I can have that be at zero opacity and have it still at 0 opacity. Font color. Alpha 0. Here I can have it as replace this with fade dot I get component children. Oops. Text tm pro dot text tmp underscore text. Game object. do you mean fate could not be found? Yeah, there we go. And then the text equals day dash day. Oh yeah, and rename S to set day. Set day. Set day. Soon I'm going to take a short break, if this works, and then after the break I can set this to a timer so that it automatically does it and I don't need to press R to reset. Fade out, make image color alpha 0 alpha 0. And here font color huh? The shop broke. What broke the shop? Oh, because there's another layer of UI. Wait, did I click on the tile map? Why did I do that? There we go. I don't know what I did to click the tile map. break something with the PC. That should be like the least breakable thing. Yeah, it's broke. Text chord normal tangent. Text chord normal tangent. I feel like Graphic Raycaster has no explanation on what any of it does. It's really fun trying to figure out if that's the problem. The buttons look disabled. Well, they look like they are off, uninteractable. Purchase. Is interactable? Yes. So why can I not buy the things? I have the money, I literally forced myself to have the money. What I could do is set the image to inactive. Is active to false. And same with the Text Mesh Pro. Set these to false. Well, until I need them. So here, set them to true. At the end, set them to false. I can't really do anything about this. If I deactivate this, it works again. So it is the fade blocking. Recast target. What if I just make it literally unable to be clicked on? Yeah, it works again. What is this issue now? Line 215. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Okay. Image dot game object dot get component tmp text is brackets. There. Is Unity happy now? Jesus. Someone is running in the hallways. Never ends well. Now it's yelling even more. No reference. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. I don't know how to fix that because it wasn't working. Like it did what it had to. Because it sets the text to it says day one, so the line does what it has to. Sure. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick break and then be right back to making it into a day cycle so it's timed. I'm back. Break was a little longer than I'd have preferred, but back now. Got a snack because I didn't eat breakfast. So now, let's set the day-night cycle. So MS Paint, this is done and this is done. Now I just need the timer. For a timer, is there a way to clear quickly? Control A, delete. This pen size. So for the timer, I will need 60 seconds plus something random. And then I need to run the starting part. And then create a new time, new random, once it's done. So first of all, float day length bool day started. Now it should be uppercase. If not day started, then day length equals 60 f plus math f dot range I couldn't make a random number. Random dot math f dot there's no random number generator. How do I get a random number C#? Random.range. I'm sure that might be a little long. So the day length can vary from half a second up to 5 seconds. And then if when then get day started. Day started equals true. If day length is greater than I need a new timer. Day passed day length and day passed day passed equal plus equal. Actually, you know what would be fun? Of using this math f dot mod. Okay, so just mod time set dot sense real time sense startup mod 5. Does this give seconds or milliseconds? Seconds. It's a float. So I think what this will do is that we'll base the amount of time off of how much time you have actually spent in the game. So it is like breakable in a way where you can have specific amounts of time that you are playing, but you'd have to be really accurate to actually mess with it properly. If it doesn't work, then I'll just use random. I don't think it works. Okay, so they started false. I don't know if that will work as I want it to. I'm just hoping that I messed something up correctly. I didn't mess it up correctly. Okay, let's set these into their own functions. I can call them individually. So this is they passed. They public void start day. Maybe not that. Then this is I think this is next day. So next day. And then this bottom, which used to be at the top. Hello. And day. Oh. I don't know how, but the stream just jumped from 1 viewer to 4. I have no clue what happened there. No, but that number is correct, apparently. Hello. And they start day. Could just put that into the update. Nope. I could take this to the update. And end the day. Doesn't matter if we are switching days because I called the next days function. If it's the end of the day, then I will need to start the next day function. And then I can remove the next day from here. So they should call each other. So this will start the day will eventually end the day, and then end the day will start the next day, which will then start the start day. And then start day will set the length of the day, and then the length of the day will eventually end the day. And it's the next day again. Yeah. I think it should work. That's what I say about everything, and then none of it works. No errors, that's good so far. And then I'll be flooded with an infinite amount of errors in about 10 seconds. Note that they just does not start. At the start function, I should set it to start day. So in the start... No, it should be next day. Okay, I can put this into the start function and then figure out what I don't need of it. So I don't need it to fade out. T can be 0f, switching days is irrelevant. They started false. Okay, now start the day. Maybe I do need it to fade out. Let's just put this entire thing into here. Does it work? It does not. Next day. Oh, because this only gets called once. Put this into the update as well. Yeah, because I set it to 0. Bam bam bada bam 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 bam. Badam bam bam badam bam bam. That explains why it didn't work. It still doesn't work. I'll turn this off. Next day. Alright, next day also only gets called once. You know what, maybe swapping days and is switching days. Is switching days is false. Maybe that is important. And then I can have next day always. Actually, I can have while is switching days next day. Let's just go with random. I swear I will have. Ah. Double A E L var equals debug dot log. Public void string debug dot log there. I can scream and code. Swapping days. Day swapped. Ending day. So they're just jumping between ending and swapping days. Why? 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 Ending day. When does this get brought up? Update. If day length is greater than day passed. Oh. No. No, if day length. If day passed is. Oh. I just had it backwards. I had it backwards. At least the music is kind of fitting. Still jumping back and forth between the two. Why? If it's switching day, okay. Next day. This starts next day. Day started false. Day past equals 0f. Start day can also say day. Nope, not day ass. Day past equals 0f. Swapping days. Transform possession so that moves you away. And then after 3 seconds, leads you in. You play the animation of jumping. Am I seeing this correctly? Okay, I'm not gonna touch anything. I'm not gonna touch anything. I'm going to patiently wait for who knows how long. It could be up to 65 seconds. I'm going to wait that out to see if it works. Then off stream, I think this might just be the end of the stream. I am really tired after that. That took so long. If it works right here, I am ending stream. I am making a backup, whatever I can do. Actually, I can't. I don't make backups. How long is 60 seconds? Please work, please work. I'm holding the microphone. It fucking works. It fucking works. Hell yeah, it works. Chair. That took so long. I didn't take that too long. It took a while. There we go, day 3. It's not actually that long of a lifespan, a minute of a lifespan. That is pretty short. I probably set it to like 2 minutes. You can't really do anything in a minute. Let's change it right now. Let's set it. Oop. Forgot I set it to. I could also have a game over. I could game over it right now. So if you don't have a vessel, then you game over. For that, I need one chair. So Control F in current document for chair. That's all. Okay. Public chair. Chair. Important chair. There. Important chair. So here, when ending day, if chair dot, I could give it a bool that is public bool is complete. Update. If has arms has arms if has head if has legs if has if has torso is complete equals true, else is It looks a little goofy, and I bet that this is like a crime against coding to just have if, then, and then just an else at the end. If chair dot is complete. If chair dot oh wait, if ch dot is is that oh I need the important chair, right? Important chair dot is complete. Then next day, else scene manager. Oh wait, it's in the Unity end. Unity engine dot scene manager dot load scene management dot load scene dot scene manager dot load scene game over. Let's make a game over scene. I said I was gonna end after the day cycle, but that's not like me. I just keep remembering just like every once in a while that I have these. Because it's just like out of the way, it's on my piano. So I don't get to use them much. Which is kind of boring. Kind of disappointing as well. Wish I could use them more. I mean, I can use them whenever I want, I just don't remember to use them. Alright, so... scenes, create, scene, game over. Image. Make it black. You has died. Button. Turn. Return to main menu. You has died. Return to main menu. That sprite script. Load scene. Day 15. Okay, let's make a body on day 1. So it has head, has torso, has arms, and has legs. And the next day I should be able to just wake up. Wake up, wake up. Need to wait. I just need to wait until it ends, until the day is over. Which could be 60 seconds. It could be 65 seconds. But if this works, then I will take the day-night cycle, and then off-stream I will make it so that the body disappears. Okay, now let's clear the body off of it. Bodybuilder. That's not what has the script. Chair. Okay, now let's see if now at the end of the day has been died. If yes, then stream over, which means that I finally get to rest a little, rest my voice. Oh, well, I didn't die. God. Okay. Oh, I didn't set the I didn't set the important chair. Oh no. That's sprites, not scenes. Main game. Okay, by default I will hide these. That's GUI. What's GUI? Currently holding. There. And the fade in will show them. Okay. Okay, now set the important chair. Important chair is the chair. The chairest of all of the chairs. All chairs shall bow to the to the important chair. Swapping days. I woke up. Now, will it work? Please work, please work, please work. I'm holding the microphone again. I really hope this freaking works. Because if yes, that's the main mechanic done for my game on the 4th day. The main mechanic done on the 4th day. That would be amazing. God damn it. Okay, why? If important chair is complete, then next day. Otherwise, load the scene. Oh wait, it's not in the build stuff as well. Like, it should have given an error and died, but I'll put it aside that. Other than that, why did the chair... At the engine, scene management, load scene, game over. Does it start with an end date? No, it starts with swapping day. I have no clue why it wouldn't work if it doesn't work now. At least Heartbound music is good. It's relaxing. I could have just reduced the timer, but that's too easy. You has died. Yes. Yes. I has died. Let's celebrate by pausing the music and... playing the in-game music. I didn't pause the Heartbound music. Mute. Hell yeah. Okay, let's try to survive the first day. I can't earn money, so I can't live longer than 1 day so far. And I can live 2 days. I just can't live past that second day. Because I need 60 money, $60, to purchase one of everything. And I start with 100, so I'm left with 40. Actually, this stays complete. I don't stay in the chair. I mean, I stay in the chair, that's the problem. So I will have to, at the end of the day, clear the body out of the chair. Okay, but that is that was my target for today, and I'm so happy that I got it. To-do list, to-do list, where's the to-do list? To-do list, properties, make day cycle. Wait, I'll wait until it gets onto screen. That's the FF time stuff. Correct order building. Main tasks. Next one. You see that right there? Make day cycle. Boom. really tired. That was annoying. Adios. That's the end of the stream. I am tired. Bye.